2003 Haas mini mill. This machine is got a 4th axis pre-wire on it, rigid tapping. Four drives. There's a connection for the 4th axis. Nice clean cabinet. These machines are set up to either be run in 3-phase, low voltage 208, 240, or in single phase. It has dual RS-232 ports. There's the X, Y, and Z axis connections, and then the port here for the 4th axis connection. This machine also offers a coolant pump kit. It's in very nice condition for its age. We also have the manual for this machine. It has the floppy disk drive here on the side of the pendant. And we're going to run it here in a second. This machine just hit our floor. It hasn't even been cleaned and it looks this nice. 10-station tool changer, standard flood coolant, way guards are in nice condition.